Now let's take a look at numbers. I'm going to go back to the Marin Makerspace site, so at Marin Maker, so that I can find some starter code for numbers. And I'm going to fork this to make a copy of it into my account. So now that I've done that, let's get started. This first part wants us to look at some basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponents. So let's do a simple 2 plus 3 for addition, and we'll do subtraction and multiplication and division. Exponents are like multiplication, but it's a double asterisk. So let's print these operations and see what happens. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And it's interesting, it gave me a decimal point. And 3 to the power of 2, which is 3 times 3, is 9. Now let's go to part 2. And they're giving us an equation, and they want us to print the calculation using the standard order of operations. So Python has that built in. If in math you learned you do the multiplication and division first, and then you do addition and subtraction. So this should result in first 2 times 6, which is 12, and then 4 plus 12, which is 16, minus 3, so 13 should be the first answer. We can take a guess at that. So I'm going to 4 plus 2 times 6 minus 3. And let's add a comment. Answer equals 13 is what we think. So let's try printing this. We are expecting an answer of 13. Great. So standard order of operations, when you type it in as that, gives us 13. However, let's try to force a non-standard order. So we will add our own parentheses. So let's print, and we can do inside 4 plus 2 times 6 minus 3. Oops. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. So we're going to add a comment. Answer equals 18. That's what we expect. Let's run it. And that is what we get, 13 and 18. Moving on to part 3, we want to use at least 5 different calculations in separate variables. So I'm going to go ahead and make some variables. So I'll do add 2 plus 3, subtract, multiply, divide, and exponent. And now print a series of informative statements to say what they are. So we can print 2 plus 3 equals add. And I'm going to copy that so I can keep modifying it. So then we did 3 minus 1 sub 3 times 2 is multiply. 4 divided by 2, divide, and 3 to the power of 2. Oop. There we go, is exponent. Now let's print that, see what I get. And all my numbers are the same math, but I do have my sentence here printing, and I did not use the plus sign. I used the comma because I didn't want to add a space, but I could have used the plus sign as well.